Hi friends, how you doing? Welcome back to another 31 days of eyeshadow palettes. Today on the chopping block is this Morphe 3502 palette. Upside down. Morphe 3502 palette. This is the I guess fall inspired palette, and it has like 3,000 shades of brown with some oranges and some reds, black, and some nice gold and bronzy shimmery shades. I really like this palette. I know a lot of people complain about the number of browns in Morphe palettes, and I think that is okay in one palette. So I wouldn't go out and get more palettes that look like this because they will be the same browns, but there are some variances and differences in the browns in the palette, but how they translate on the eye is kind of similar. But I'm a neutral queen too, so I like these brown shades as well, so I don't have an issue with it. The palette retails for somewhere around $23 to $24, so it's super affordable and totally worth the price if you ask me. So without all this yapping, let's get into this look. Y'all, I almost put creamer in my hot tea this morning. You can already tell it's going to be a long day when you're about to put creamer in tea. It's going to be a long day. Alright, so we're going to start off with a transition shade today. And we all know that Morphe doesn't really put the shade names in the palette. They come with this little slip, but I've been through that away. And it had no chance, to be honest. So I'm just going to point. This is the shade that I'm going in with on my transition area. It's an orange shade, and I'm doing this with my MAC 217 brush. Also, no mirror, so next, with this Real Techniques 305 brush, I'm going into this more burnt orange shade in the palette, which is right here. And I am going to put that in my crease and on the inner and outer corner of my eyes. Next, with this Morphe M507 brush, I'm dipping into this like reddish brown shade right here. And I'm putting that in the crease as well as the inner and outer corners of my eye, just like I did with that orange shade. Now, without adding any more product to my Real Techniques 305, I'm just going to blend out the brown a little bit in the crease. Now, to make everything all seamless and well blended, I'm going to take my Morphe M535 brush, which is right here, and I'm just going to blend everything together. Now, with my finger, I'm dipping into this shade right here, and I'm going to put that like in the center of my eye where I left kind of open. So now all I'm going to do is go back in with my Morphe M507 and blend around where I put that shimmer shade. Now, I'm not going to be putting any shadow on my lower lash line today because I just don't feel like it. I want to kind of keep it clean and simple. So I am going to take this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeliner pencil, and the shade is 652 dark brown, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line with this, and then I'm going to smudge it out with this smudger shader brush. Now my last step is to add this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm putting that on both my top and bottom lashes, and that will be all, guys. Alright guys, so I'm back and here is the final look. This is a simple, cute fall look for every day because you don't have to put on any lashes and no like dramatic lower lash line work is going on here. So it's super simple for every day. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and that it was easy enough for you guys to follow. Also, if you're not, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you have that notification bell hit so that you can be notified each and every time that I post a new video here on my channel. And with that, guys, I will see you all next video.